If you thought DJI had already perfected the Pocket gimbal camera, think again. 2025 might just flip the script. Leaks and insider whispers suggest DJI is gearing up to launch not one, but two new Pocket cameras before the year ends, the DJI Pocket 4 and a rumored Pocket 4 Pro. And while the standard model seems like an evolution, the Pro hints at a surprising twist that could make creators rethink what a pocketable camera can do. Both models are expected to hit the market around the same time in late 2025. Sources from DJI's supply chain and industry leak sites suggest the Pro could bring expanded capabilities, though official details are still scarce. What's clear, however, is that DJI is doubling down on performance, portability, and creative flexibility. Design-wise, the Pocket 4 will feel familiar yet refreshed. DJI appears to have shaved 35% off the weight and made the camera even more compact than the Pocket 3, while retaining the beloved rotating viewfinder. Early rumors hint that both models will share the same sleek form factor, making it easier than ever to slip one in your pocket without sacrificing control or functionality. The real magic is in the camera. While early leaks teased a dual-lens setup, the standard Pocket 4 seems to stick to a single 50-megapixel 1/1.3-inch OmniVision sensor, the same used in flagship smartphones from Oppo, Vivo, and Xiaomi. Expect Hasselblad color tuning, advanced zoom capabilities, and likely AI-assisted image processing to deliver cinematic quality footage in a tiny body. Low-light performance? Definitely a focus. Dual lens? That may be the domain of the Pocket 4 Pro, which could surprise us with features DJI hasn't revealed yet. From a market perspective, the Pocket 3 still sells for around $628.90, so the Pocket 4 will likely land in a similar or slightly higher price bracket, especially with a Pro variant in the mix. With the Osmo Action 6 also on the horizon, 2025 is shaping up to be a game-changing year for video creators, giving them more options than ever to capture the world in motion, and maybe even rethink the very idea of a pocket camera. So, is the Pocket 4 just an upgrade, or is DJI about to redefine portable filmmaking? If the leaks are to be believed, the answer might be both, and then some.
Imagine hitting the trail, diving into the ocean, or sprinting up a mountain and controlling your camera straight from your Apple Watch or Garmin. Start/stop recording, switch modes, track your heart rate, altitude, pace, even dive data. Oh no, Garmin fans are getting spoiled with exclusive goodies like cadence and power metrics. It's like your wrist just became mission control. And the camera specs? Oh man, DJI isn't playing around. A 1-inch CMOS sensor delivers crisp detail, while video options like 8K at 30 frames per second or buttery smooth 4K at 120 frames per second make this a filmmaker's dream. USB-C with possible DisplayPort and a hefty 1950 mAh battery that powers over 4 hours of 4K. The headline feature is its massive 1-inch sensor, delivering an incredible 13.5 stops of dynamic range. Whoa, that's fire! On top of that, video shooters are in for a treat. 8K at 30 frames per second, 5.3K at 60 frames per second, and buttery smooth 4K at 120 frames per second slow motion.
Let's compare the DJI Action 6 specs versus Action 5 Pro.
Can you believe it? Two powerhouse cameras, both promising mind-blowing performance. But only one can truly take the crown. Which one will come out on top? Stick with me till the very end to find out, because the answer might just surprise you. Let's dive into the heart of any camera, the sensor. The DJI Action 5 Pro features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capturing 40 megapixel stills with a 13.5 stop dynamic range. Oh yeah, that means vibrant colors and impressive low-light performance. Adventurers love it for reliving moments in stunning detail. But hold on, the DJI Action 6 is rumored to sport a 1-inch sensor, a massive leap. This could dramatically enhance low-light capabilities and even enable 8K video recording. Imagine filming your skydiving jump or mountain biking adventure in ultra-high resolution. Exciting, right? If true, the Action 6 might make the Action 5 Pro feel outdated. Honestly, if the Action 6 delivers on this promise, it might just leave the Action 5 Pro looking like yesterday's news. When it comes to action cameras, performance and stabilization can make or break the experience. The DJI Action 5 Pro shines here with 4K video at 120 frames per second, paired with DJI's Horizon Steady stabilization system. Whether you're skiing down a slope or doing a backflip off a cliff, your footage stays buttery smooth. No dizzying jitters, no messy shakes. The Action 6, however, is rumored to step things up with advanced Rocksteady 4.0, integrating AI-powered Horizon Steady that offers full 360-degree horizon leveling. Oh yes, that means every shot stays perfectly level, no matter how chaotic your movement. Imagine filming a high-octane chase scene and never worrying about the horizon tilting. Exciting, right? If this rumor turns out true, stabilization just reached a whole new level. Battery life is crucial for long adventures. The DJI Action 5 Pro offers 1,950 mAh for up to 4 hours of 4K recording, while the Action 6 is rumored to deliver longer, higher-resolution recording for uninterrupted action and fun. Durability. The DJI Action 5 Pro is rugged, waterproof 20 meters, survives -20 degrees Celsius. Action 6 promises the same durability for extreme adventures. Which one should you choose? So, here's the million-dollar question. Which camera wins your heart? The DJI Action 5 Pro is a reliable, high-performance workhorse, perfect for immediate adventures. The DJI Action 6, however, promises 8K recording, advanced AI stabilization, and enhanced smartwatch integration. The choice is yours. Stick with the trusted Action 5 Pro or embrace the futuristic Action 6. We're talking about the DJI Neo 2, officially confirmed to launch in November 2025. The hype is real this time. The FCC filing, public dates, and even insider dealer forecasts are all lining up, pointing to a mid-November announcement, and DJI fans are losing it already. With an FCC embargo date of January 15, 2026, this little beast is gearing up to take flight right before the year wraps up. But now, supercharged into a tiny FPV cinematic monster. That's right, the DJI Neo 2 isn't just about flying, it's about creating. It's designed for content creators, vloggers, and FPV beginners who want that cinematic flair without lugging around a huge drone. Plus, with AI-driven tracking, ActiveTrack 6.0, and gesture and voice control, the Neo 2 practically flies itself while you focus on storytelling magic. The DJI Neo 2 is set to start at $229, slightly higher than the original Neo's $199, but packed with more value. The standard combo includes the drone, controller, and one battery, while the two-battery combo, around $279 to $379, adds a second battery and charging hub. The three-battery combo, $329 to $429, includes 3 batteries and a carrying case for creators on the move. For the ultimate experience, the Fly More combo, Motion Control Edition, $429 to $529, features DJI's motion controller and FPV accessories. Affordable, versatile, and creator-focused, the Neo 2 is shaping up to be DJI's best entry-level cinematic drone yet. In short, the DJI Neo 2 isn't just a drone, it's DJI's love letter to creative freedom. It's small, smart, and seriously capable. November can't come soon enough. So, the big question is, are you ready to fly into 2026 with the Neo 2? Or just watch others steal the sky? Yes, FPV lovers, your dream shots just got real. The original Avatar dropped in September 2022, followed by Avatar 2 in April 2024, a 19-month gap. That means Avatar 3 could arrive sometime between October 2025 and March 2026, with the sweet spot likely landing between November and January. Now, the footage doesn't show much, Zooming in won't save you, but the prototype stickers and a visible cable are hard to miss. Design-wise, it still echoes the Avatar 2. Let's talk about other specs. Building on the success of the DJI Avatar 2, this next-generation FPV drone is expected to redefine drone technology. The Avatar 2 features a 1x1.7-inch CMOS sensor with 4K 60 frames per second HDR video recording. The Avatar 3 is rumored to include a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor, enhancing image clarity, color depth, and low-light performance. This improvement would be valuable for professional videographers and photographers seeking cinematic quality footage. Additionally, DJI may introduce advanced color grading profiles or raw video support, offering greater flexibility in post-production. Battery life is essential for FPV drone pilots. The Avatar 2's 23-minute flight time is impressive, but advancements in battery technology could extend the Avatar 3's flight time closer to 30 minutes. More efficient motors and improved power management could further enhance flight duration, benefiting both recreational and professional users who require extended aerial sessions. Stabilization is critical for FPV drones, and DJI's Rocksteady and Horizon Steady systems in the Avatar 2 already perform well. However, the Avatar 3 is expected to push stabilization further, with enhanced electronic image stabilization and possibly a mechanical gimbal. A mechanical gimbal would provide smoother footage even during high-speed or abrupt maneuvers, making it a top choice for capturing dynamic aerial shots. The Avatar 3 is rumored to include an upgraded obstacle avoidance system with omnidirectional sensors. Unlike the Avatar 2's limited detection system, a 360-degree obstacle detection feature would significantly reduce collision risks, making the drone easier to navigate in urban and forested areas. This feature would be particularly beneficial for beginners and professionals flying in challenging conditions. DJI is known for making its drones accessible to both beginners and experienced pilots. The Avatar 3 may introduce simplified controls, enhanced flight modes, and intuitive interfaces. Potential updates to the DJI IRC Motion 3 controller and DJI Goggles 3 could improve comfort and usability. AI-powered flight assistants, such as automated subject tracking and pre-programmed cinematic flight paths, may also be included, enabling users to achieve professional results with ease.